Talking tonight about the deposition process in this edition of The Law and You. We're back here in the Virtual Law Center with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Harry McGrath, who was here for Ed. Good to see you guys.
Good to see you, Dave.
All right, we're ready for our question tonight, and here we go about a nurse. And a nurse from Music, Sarah, says, I'm a nurse at a local hospital and I have a deposition coming up. I'm very nervous. My doctor told me I should avoid it if possible. Does Sarah have to show up?
Well, Sarah, the short answer to the question is yes. It is typically very difficult for a person to get out of a deposition unless there is an undue or unreasonable burden on the person. It has to be a level of medical emergency that the judge would find to be extreme. You typically need a note from a doctor and a detailed description of why it would be an undue burden. Just because it makes you nervous or uncomfortable, it's not typically enough to get you out of the deposition.
And what some people may not know what a deposition is. A deposition is sworn testimony, usually done outside of court in the process of a court case. And people do get nervous, but even when we prep our own clients for the deposition, we always tell them the best thing to do is go in there and tell the truth, because that is what you should do in any deposition. Regardless, it may not help the case or hurt the case, but if you tell the truth, that's the best thing to do in those cases. Because when people lie, that's when a deposition goes really sideways for them, and cases can really get out of control for whatever party may not be telling the truth, because then they're perceived as a liar, and that doesn't work well in a courtroom.
All right, and if you need legal advice or help, you can give the guys a call. You can check them out online or social media. And don't forget, results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Harry McGrath. Guys, good to see you tonight.
Thanks.
Thank you, Dave.
PAHomepage.com, and the Law and You hotline is there for you.